platform that helps especially HR teams track training from their employees and especially also managers. And we want to basically transform this tracking, training, manual, fragmented processes from actually driving employee development and giving them an AI-powered ecosystem for them. It has been a really good experience, and it's very different to work with a multidisciplined team from people from other courses that I'm from management and I'm from this economic strategy side, but our colleagues are from engineering. So it's different to work with people from a lot of the courses.
Hi, I'm Rita. I'm the Communications Manager for SCT1, and we are OnePet, a platform that is meant to unite both breeders and potential pet owners with the help of ZooSonic. So we want breeders to be able to use our platform in a way that is safe for them, that certifies them, and that ensures that the animals are well taken care of and that they live in safety. And we also want to connect to the new pet owners so that they know that when they purchase an animal from someone that is zoo certified, that they are purchasing an animal that was well taken care of, well raised, that they have pedigree, that they have been taken care of, and that everything is as safe as possible.
I'm Daniela. We are group number 3, and our name is Cortex Labs. I'm a UX UI designer, so I was in charge of basically the whole visuals for our team and our project. So the problem that we've encountered is that organizations usually don't have all their information about their projects in one place. It's oftentimes very fragmented. So we try to offer a solution that the whole team basically has access to all this information, and it's easier to track to make better decisions in the future. Some of the invited talks, we had some interesting people coming here to teach us about all this entrepreneurship world. And it was interesting to see other projects that people have done and what they're trying to teach us, and even people who are the same age as us having so much success and so much passion with their projects.
So we are team number 5 from Groovit. I am new project manager. So deciding on what to cook is one of the most repetitive tasks that we have every day. So at Groovit we are trying to bridge the gap that exists between artificial intelligence capabilities and also the regular shopping experience that we have. So with our AI-powered assistant, we aim to partner with retail stores and to try to provide their customers a unique and refreshing experience. So if you are undecided on your next meal, just Groovit. So we are trying to bridge the gap between what we already know that are the AI capabilities and also the usual shopping experience. So we try to create a unique experience for the retail customers by trying to bring some personalized experience with our AI-powered assistant.
Look at the camera, look at you. Okay, that's better. We are SC02. We are called Anima, and I'm the CEO. I'm Ruben Nat, one of the students. I'm in the 4th year of computer science, I guess. We're building an application that helps animators and art directors to create videos and animations more easily. So we have a bunch of steps in the animation workflow, and we help art directors and art animators to create videos using and leveraging Gen AI. We have different motivations since we are different students, and the fact that we were assigned randomly or not by, it wasn't ourselves choosing the groups. So we have different ideas and we have different perspectives of what LGP actually is. But it's been exciting and it's been a good experience, I think.
From Team 7 and we are Atlantico Digital. I'm the CTO and main test manager. We are building a B2Pond, which is to be a business-to-business marketplace with a system of fiscal incentives recommendation powered by AI.
Hello, I'm Diogo Silva, I'm from Team 19 and my role is development. What problem we are solving is that in Porto there is no application to see if a place is too overcrowded or not. So we are developing an application so that the people that are going to visit Porto can see if the place that they want to visit are too crowded. If they are, we give them suggestions to place less crowded to go to them to visit instead of the one is too crowded, to have a better experience in our city. When I came to LGP, I didn't know very well what was the main goal of the class, but then when I came, I see a challenge that needs to be overcome with a cool application, and I start working with the team. I don't know any one of them. I see someone from the class, but I never worked with them. So that was a fun surprise and a fun challenge to overcome. And now I think we're all doing very good work and working very well together.
So my team number is 8 and our name is Resolvia. Right now I'm a developer. We are working a multi-agent system for ticket solving. We are trying to create a system where tickets are easier to solve and try to remove the effort of the human agents, so the users can have more information and can have their issues solved fast and without any problems. There are some troubles, of course. There are some problems because we are humans, but I think in general it was a good activity.
Catch my good side? No.
Yes.
Good there?
Okay.
Okay. Yes. I'm Gonçalo Freitas, our team is Team 22, we are CADIVE, and my position on the team is Project Manager. We're solving the problem that all mechanical engineers have. We're building like a GitHub drive where they can put their projects, their CAD work, and see other versions of the work, and by this they can be efficient. What surprised me the most are the number of people that are enrolled in this class and the different masters that are attending this course. It's been good, it's been fun, working with different people from different courses, different than mine, learning to do some stuff that I didn't learn in my course, in my masters, and to create a team with people I didn't even know.
What are you excited about?
Maybe the LGP challenge that day. I'm curious to see what is going to happen, what the teacher has planned for us. I think it's going to be a fun day.
Which one the most?
Which day? The last one, the LGP challenge.
Hello, my name is David Alves. I am the CEO of Festivo team. We are LGP 21. We're trying to solve the problem that going to an event, it requires a lot of different platforms, and we're trying to bring it all together into one singular platform. I guess what surprised me the most from my experience in LGP is that I guess it pushed us to do things that we did not expect that we could do. I, for once, only worked in small projects, and actually working on something that actually requires a more detailed and a more extensive type of research and work, I guess, it really definitely influenced the way that I started seeing things and seeing myself.
Hello, my name is Barbara. I'm the CEO of Impact Sphere and we are LGP 23. So basically every day there are important causes that are being silenced, not because they aren't important, but because there aren't the resources and the help that those causes need. So we created Impact Sphere. It is an organization that helps NGOs and non-profit associations to help them to create their ideas and turn their ideas into reality. It was an important course because we work with a lot of people and people from other courses with other experiences, but I also can say that was also a challenge because we came from other courses, we have to match our timetables, and it was also hard, but I think it gave everyone also a good experience to meet everyone and people from other areas.
And what are you excited about?
Sorry?
What are you exciting about?
Exciting. I'm excited about the LGP challenge, the day of presentations, because I think it's good to see our projects and what we work the entire semester really come to life and to show other people that we were really able to build our project that we will present.
Okay. And the last one, what has the LGP experience been like so far?
So I would define it literally as a challenge because it was a challenge from the beginning. In the first days, I think we were always, all of us, we were always nervous because we were creating our idea. In the beginning, at least in our group, we thought that we wouldn't be able to really transform our idea into a real project. So now that we almost finished everything, I think it's rewarding. It's nice to be able to do this.
Hello, we are Group 10, we are Prisma Labs. I'm a software developer. We are developing an AI tool to help Sonai building advertisements for product placement. I'm really excited to contact with companies and to be in the real world scenarios to apply some and solve real world problems.
So we are Team 6 and we are still spaces that produce space. We are building the best office management system. We are trying to make it easier for office managers to allocate their employees and their teams. We are solving a problem that's very, very common nowadays with hybrid formats in the work environment. And yeah, we are trying to make it easier for the office managers. Maybe the dynamics between the startups and the enterprises and the companies involved. I think there's a very good and realistic dynamic, and it's been very good.
Hi, we're Team 12 and our name is IntelliGroup. We're building a lighting management system. This is a solution that will allow municipalities to set geographical areas around certain points of the city, and they will be able to dim and brighten those points. It's been very interesting. One thing, we weren't really prepared for how complex our problem was going to be, but we've stayed hung in there and we've resolved it.
I'm excited to see the other groups' projects and see what they are doing, because I know that will be something amazing.
My name is Aidan. Our team is Team 13, and the project's called Pata Segura. It's insurance for pets with an app and ways to improve the health of pets for pet owners whilst having an insurance package at the same time. It's a white label product, so the idea is that we create the product, and that's used by other insurance companies, banks, general insurers. They can enter the market quickly and easily using this solution. Well, I think it's great all the technology we have now to make this type of product possible. It wasn't possible before, but now with mobile devices, and you've got the devices that humans are using every day. People are accustomed to using this type of technology. They trust the technology. They know it works. So there's an opportunity there. You've got the pet insurance market, but you've also got the tracker, the health biometrics, health monitoring. So it's an integration of two products together, which is a very good idea. And it's a product that would be needed not just by pet owners, but also easily to purchase. They get access to, but also by the insurance companies, because they can't insure taking so much time to develop a product.
So my name is Eduardo. I'm the CTO of team number 28, which is Roamly, and our app looks to solve all the problems that people have in sharing households. Basically, living with other people is tricky and is troubling, and we are aiming to solve that hierarchy and that decision moving that to an AI agent that solves that and takes into consideration the tasks you like to do most, their difficulty, your own schedule, and removes that decision from someone which should be controlling the household, making the things frictionless and more enjoyable for the household. Because you see all the projects and all the development, you get a little taste of what it looks like to build a startup from zero to nothing, all the challenges, all the bureaucracy, all the ideas. And for me, the most interesting has been to see the ideas really turning into reality.
We are Team 30. Our name is Semi, and my name is Beatriz Dias, and my role is financial manager. So we are building a startup company. We are a platform for people with disabilities to be able to create music. I like it so far because it was an opportunity for me to experience different contexts with different background of studies. So it has been really cool, I would say. So I like it.
So my name is Rodrigo. I'm the CEO of Applix, the team 28. So basically we are building an app that it works like an Uber for matching technicians and multiple property managers. So multiple property managers are people who have, for example, many Airbnbs or other properties, and they need maintenance quickly, and so our app does that quickly. Quite confused and nice, develop all the things and all the even marketing, development, managing all the team is quite difficult, but I think the end result will be quite nice.
So we are Team 31, we are Cara, I'm Sofia Verdelho and I'm the CEO of our company. We help startups communicate their ideas through storytelling, visual content, media production, and we also help document and shape the identity that is LGP. It has been enriching but also challenging because we have to coordinate and communicate with a lot of teams and also trying to meet everyone's expectations. But at the same time, it has been an amazing experience because we get to deal with a lot of people from different backgrounds, and we are also put to the test with an experience that's much more real to the job market one. I am, and I think all of our team is very excited for the final day. We really want to see all the teams explaining their ideas and presenting what they have done so far this year, and we just really want to make an amazing